Preparing for Hajj, we are going to look at dry skin. Wa alaikum salam. The balance of oil and moisture is crucial for a healthy, glowing and attractive skin. The oil that's secreted by the sebaceous glands in the skin lubricates our skin surface, and the moisture content of our skin is also determined by the water present within the skin cells, and this reaches the cells via the bloodstream. So it's very important that the water content in the cell is present, because that content keeps the skin plumped up, it keeps it healthy. The oil and moisture works together, so there has to be enough moisture in our skin and enough oil. Together they act as a shield to prevent excessive evaporation. So there's basically two types of dry skin. You have simple dry skin, and this is simply due to the lack of natural oils, often affecting the women more often than men and those below the age of 35. Then we have complex dry skin, where there's a lack of both the oils and the moisture, and is characterized by these fine lines, brown spots, discoloration or enlarged pores, and this is normally associated with aging or overexposure to the sun. So we know that the Hujjaj, they're on their way to Makkah and they're leaving a cold climate, which is cold and dry or drying on the skin, and when they go to Makkah it's hot and dry. So we find they're going from one extreme to the other. So definitely take care when it comes to sun exposure. Generally, dry skin would have a dull looking feature. It's scaly, it's flaky, there's a feeling of tightness, there's chapping or cracking, and these are signs of extremely dry skin. Factors which worsens dry skin would be a poor diet, so a diet that's low in water. Environmental factors like excessive sun exposure, wind, cold, heat, chemicals, cosmetics can also lead to drying of the skin. Excessive bathing with harsh soap, and nutritional deficiencies of vitamin A and B. So some dietary recommendations for the pilgrims would be to eat a well-balanced diet with raw, fresh fruits and veg, lots of grains and seeds and nuts. Consume foods that's high in sulfur, like garlic, onions and eggs, as well as asparagus, because we know that the sulfur content helps to keep the skin smooth and youthful. Consume plenty of yellow or orange vegetables, because we know the colors related to an increase in beta carotene. Drink at least about 6 glasses to 8 glasses of water a day. Try to avoid fried foods, animal fats, especially highly processed foods. Limit fizzy drinks and sugar, chocolate, junk foods, because this basically depletes the body of good vitamins and minerals. Also decrease caffeine. Some practical advice, some good emollients to use, which is also recommended via Prophetic medicine, would be aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is an excellent emollient. It's soothing, it's healing and very moisturizing on the skin. You could also spray herbal or floral water mist on your skin. You can purchase your own, or you can make your own simply by adding 4 drops of essential oil to a spray bottle of distilled water. So you could add the leaves of lavender, flowers of comfrey or calendula. All of these has a very soothing and moisturizing effect on the skin. It's very important that moisturizing the skin should take place after cleansing it. And to avoid excess loss of moisture, vitamin E oil can be added. Other good emollients will be cocoa butter, olive oil, and almond oil is also known to be recommended from Prophetic medicine, which all has very good moisturizing benefits. Also be aware of soaps and creams, especially when on travel. Take caution when using new soaps and creams or shampoos, because it could be sensitive to those products. Ensure that when you're going to be going outside in the sun, that you wear good moisturizing sunblock. It is my pleasure. Wa alaikum salam.
Yo, Muslim.